time to get a little tricky. Okay, you ready for this? This is going to be kind of interesting. Again, we want to find exact values. So the clue there is as soon as you see exact values, chances are you're going to use the special triangles. Okay, how does this work though? Well, you got a 45, you got a 30. Let's just draw out the triangles real quick. Like, okay, so I'm going to draw my favorite, which is the 30, 60, 90. I'm going to draw that one first. Okay, 1, 2, root 3. And then, of course, since we got 45s, we're going to draw that out as well. There's my 45, 45 angle right there. Okay, boom, there's the 91, 1, root 2. There it is. You know what it's all about. Let's just use it. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so let's go. This would be 7 times 45 degrees. Okay, the tangent to 45 degrees. The tangent of 45 degrees is, oh, well, that's opposite over adjacent. Oh, well, that's just too easy. 45 degrees, tangent of 45 degrees is 1 minus 4 times the sine of 30. Well, there's 30. Sine, remember, is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse, that's 1/2. Oh, boy, this is easy. 7 times 1 is 7. Minus 4 times 1/2, that's minus 2. Oh, my God, yeah, the answer is 5. Wow. Now, I know you could throw this in your calculator, but you know what? Sometimes you're not walking around with a calculator in your hand, and you should actually realize that you are dealing with special triangles here. Take a look at this one. Same thing goes with this one. Sine of 30 degrees. Okay, sine of 30 degrees, go out, boom, boom, boom. Let's just do it. Sine of 30 degrees is, oops, I shouldn't even draw that. Sine of 30 degrees, there's my 30 degrees. We know it's 1/2. It's the same one as that was here. Right? Okay, so this is 1/2. Now, cos of 180, that one's kind of interesting. Well, let me just draw it out. Remember, where is 180 degrees? 180 degrees is over here. So this is what we call a quadrantial angle. Okay? And quadrantial angles are kind of weird. Throw that in your calculator. As soon as you see a quadrantial angle, just chuck it in your calculator. You're going to be in for a surprise. Cos of 180 degrees is actually -1. Don't believe me? Okay, hold on. Got my calculator here. Let's do cos, come on you. There we go. Cos of 180 degrees. Boom. Just chuck it in there. It's a quadrantial angle. It's -1. Well, that makes this really, really simple because then this would be 1/2 plus -1. Okay, common denominator, multiply that by 2, multiply that by 2, you got 1/2 minus 2/2, which works out to be -1/2. Oh, yippee skippy, that was tough. Okay, so guess what? I threw another quadrantial angle at you. But check this out. Also, I gave you 45 degrees. Tan of 45 degrees, we already know. We know tan of 45 degrees. Yeah, draw it out. There it is. 1 root 2. Tan of 45 degrees is going to be opposite over adjacent, which you know is going to be just 1. So this is 4 times 1 again, making this really simple. But 270 degrees, sine of it. Okay, I'm just going to pull up my calculator. Why? Because I know that this is a quadrantial angle. I know it's the angle down here. There's 270 degrees. It's kind of cool to see what sine is down here. So, okay, let's pull it up. Sine of 270 degrees. Boom. Watch this. It's also -1, making this a really, really simple exercise. This would be 4 times -1. So this is 4 minus 4. This actually works out to be 0. Ta-da! Not difficult if you know a few little tricks. One of the tricks is quadrantial angles. Just throw them in your calculator. Okay? The second trick is know your special triangles. Pretty easy.